Paritie TV. My name is Sylvia. Before I go further, I'd like to say that this video is not a paid post. You see, in our last episode, we talked about Google Maps, but today we'll be talking about Google Assistant. Google Assistant is Google's voice assistant that supports both text and voice entry and supports the conversation for whichever method that you're using. It allows you to do voice commands, voice search, and the rest. Today, I'll be giving you tips on how to use Google Assistant. Well, the first tip that I'm going to be giving you today is how to tell Google Assistant to remember. Well, if you're the kind of person that easily forget things, say you come back from work and you just toss your keys around and you know that the following morning you're actually going to be searching for those keys. Well, Google Assistant can actually help you in that area. Here's what you have to do. You hold down the home button and give the voice command. Okay, Google, remember I kept my keys on the table.
Okay, I'll remember that.
So if you want Google Assistant to remind you of where you kept your keys, all you have to do is tap on the microphone icon and give the voice command like this. Okay, Google, what did I ask you to remember?
Here's what you told me. Okay, Google, remember I kept my keys on the table.
Now let's say you've told Google Assistant to remember so many things for you. Let's say I give Google Assistant a voice command to remember. You tap on the microphone button again. Okay, Google, remember I have a meeting by 2 p.m.
Okay, I'll remember that.
Now, if you want Google Assistant to forget one of the things you asked it to remember, you do this. Okay, Google, what did I ask you to remember?
Here's what you told me. First, okay, Google, remember I have a meeting by 2 p.m. Second, okay, Google, remember I kept my keys on the table.
You tap on the microphone button and say, okay, Google, forget second.
Done. It's forgotten.
Now that's very easy. You can actually tell Google Assistant to do a lot of things for you. Remember where you kept so many things so that you don't have to forget and waste a lot of time. Now the next tip I'll be giving you is how to send message using Google Assistant. You see, for example, if you're driving and you just remember you need to send a message to someone, you can actually just give Google Assistant the voice command and it will do exactly that for you. Now, how do you do this? All you have to do is either hold down the home button or you tap on the app, say the wake words and give your command. Here's how you go about it. You tap on the app. Okay, Google, send a message to AJ.
All right, you want to text AJ. What's the message?
Good morning, AJ. A meeting has been scheduled for 3 p.m.
Here's your message to AJ. Good morning, AJ. A meeting has been scheduled for 3 p.m. Do you want to send it or change it?
Send.
Sending your message to AJ.
So now you know that with Google Assistant, you can actually send a message to someone when you're in a situation where you're not able to type. It's very easy. Now, another thing that Google Assistant can help you do is to identify songs playing on your phone. For example, if a song is playing and you don't actually know the details of that song, say the singer or when the song was released, you can actually ask Google Assistant to give you details of that song. So if there's a song playing from another device and you don't actually know the details of that song, Google Assistant can actually help you get details of the song only if you ask it to. Now here's how you go about it. You hold down the home button and then you ask, okay Google, what song is playing?
It's Brown Skin Girl by Beyonce.
You can also tell Google Assistant to play songs for you. All you have to do is give it the voice command to play the song and it will just do that for you. Now the final tip that I'm going to give you is to tell Google Assistant to give you daily briefing. Now All you have to do is give it the voice command and it will tell you what your day will look like. For example, the weather report, traffic report, probably you have a meeting, it will give you the breaking news around your area. Lots of things that it will give to you only if you give it the voice command. Telling Google Assistant to tell you about your daily routine is very easy, but the thing is you have to do the settings so that it will be able to give you exactly what you want it to give you. Now here's how you go about it. You hold down the home button, you tap on explore, you go to your profile, tap on settings, go to assistant, scroll down, and then you go to routines. And then you have options here that you can open to do whatever you want to do. For example, you have good morning, bedtime, leaving home, I'm home, commuting to work, commuting home. For example, if you go to good morning, you have options that you can tell Google Assistant to tell you about when you ask it about your routine. Like, tell me about the weather, tell me about my commute, tell me about today's calendar, tell me today's reminder, the news, or you can tell Google Assistant to tell you about it. Or if you go to home, I'm home, you can tell it to broadcast I'm home, tell me about my reminders, adjust media volume, and even the news. So now let's go back and tell Google Assistant to tell us about our routine. You hold down the home button. Okay, Google, good morning.
Hi, you found the new good morning routine. Let's try it together. First, let's see what your day looks like. Currently in Minna it's 24 and cloudy. Today, there will be thunderstorms with a forecast high of 26 and a low of 22.
Okay, now Google Assistant have told me about the weather. That's part of the things I asked it to tell me about. Now, when you're home, you can also ask it to tell you about other things. You hold down the home button. Okay, Google, I'm home.
Hi, M. Here's the latest news.
Well, there you go. All you have to do is give Google Assistant the voice command and it will give you a rundown of what your day will look like. There are other tips that you can explore with Google Assistant. For example, you can tell Google Assistant to read your notifications, take a selfie for you, search for anything for you online, and the list is just endless. Well, that's it on this episode of Mobile Tips, and our focus has been on Google Assistant. If you have any question, just drop it in the comment section and I'll be glad to respond to your questions. Now, if you enjoyed this video, hit on the like button. If you've not subscribed, please do well to subscribe. Now, you can also follow us on our various social media platforms at Paritie Ltd. At Paritie Ltd. You can also visit our website at www.paritie.com. Bye-bye.